Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Werks Traveler 6.0 Weekender from Victorinox. This awesome Weekender is made from a super durable nylon material. It's not only lightweight, but gonna keep all your stuff safe. Got that shield logo in the front, and those molded haul handles are gonna be easy to carry. It's also got that shoulder strap that's removable and adjustable. Throw it over your shoulder, carry your goodies with you. You can see that we've got one zipper pocket here right at the front. Got those quick access items with that super soft lining and that beautiful gray color. And on the back side, check this out guys, got this cool little rear pocket area that actually allows you to slip that on your upright luggage so you can take that load off while you're in the airport. Inside that main compartment, you've got the zipper opening that allows you to open that nice and wide so you can really get all your goodies inside. Got lots of room, as you can see, with that beautiful silver lining continuing, and got one zipper pocket so you can keep everything nice and organized. Let's say you have a long vacation, you end up bringing back souvenirs for your whole family, you need some more room, you got that zipper pocket at the bottom. It actually gives you a lot more room inside so you can really pack it with all those goodies. So you'll be ready for that upcoming weekend trip with this awesome bag from Victorinox.